In the first few seconds, we, the audience, are quite literally drawn into the character's world through camera movement. This is Everything Everywhere All at Once, and it's one of many examples of excellent visual storytelling, powered by cinematic camera movement. From graceful tracking shots to breathtaking aerial views, camera movement plays a vital role in conveying emotion and enhancing the overall storytelling experience. Let's dive into the art of cinematic camera movement. Before we jump into any technical aspects, let's understand why camera movement is crucial in filmmaking. Camera movement can invoke various emotions, create a sense of pace or rhythm, and guide the viewer's attention to key elements in the frame. From establishing shots that set the scene to dynamic tracking shots that intensify an action scene, camera movement adds depth and visual interest to any production. Now, let's explore different types of camera movements and what their effects are on the audience. Number one, the pan. The camera pivots horizontally on a fixed position, allowing us to survey the scene smoothly. It's excellent for revealing a large area or emphasizing a character's reaction. Number two, the tilt. Similar to the pan, but the camera moves vertically instead. Tilting up can reveal a towering structure or character's awe-inspiring reaction, while tilting down can create a sense of discovery or anticipation. Number three, the tracking shot. Here, the camera moves alongside the subject, capturing their movements through space. It adds dynamic elements to the shot and is often used during chase sequences or to follow characters' journeys. Number four, the dolly shot. By physically moving the camera closer or further away from the subject, we create a dolly shot. It can intensify or diminish the emotional connection between the viewer and the subject. Number five, we've got steadicams. Steadicams allow for smooth and fluid movements as it stabilizes the camera operator's movements. It's great for tracking shots that require agility and flexibility. Number six, the crane shot. Using a crane or jib arm, we can achieve high angle or sweeping shots that provide a unique perspective and capture the grandeur of a scene. Number seven, the aerial shot. With advancements in drone technology, capturing stunning aerial shots has become more accessible. Aerial shots offer a bird's eye view, giving the audience a new perspective and a sense of scale. It's essential to choose the right one for your storytelling purposes. Consider the following factors: narrative and emotion. Analyse the scene's emotional requirements and the story you want to tell. Does the camera need to feel static or dynamic? Is it a moment of calm or chaos? Adjust your camera movement accordingly. Let's now discuss some essential techniques for camera movement. Smoothness and stability. Invest in equipment such as gimbals, sliders, or dollies to ensure smooth camera movements. Jerky or unstable shots can distract the viewer and diminish the impact of your storytelling, unless this is your intent for this particular scene. Storyboarding your shots beforehand can help to visualize the camera movement and determine their effectiveness in conveying the desired emotion or message. Plan your shots meticulously, taking into account the blocking of the actors, props, and environment. Consider lens selection. Different lenses can significantly impact the visual effect of camera movements. Wide-angle lenses create a sense of depth and openness, whilst telephoto lenses compress the space and bring the subjects closer. Experiment with different lenses to achieve the desired visual impact. Be creative and experiment to find unique ways to tell your story. By mastering the art of cinematic camera movement, you can transport your audience into a captivating visual journey, evoking emotions and leaving a lasting impact. And there you have it. Cinematic camera movement is a powerful tool for enhancing your storytelling and creating visually stunning moments on screen. Remember to choose the right camera movement techniques that align with the narrative. Practice your timing and precision, and prioritize safety and technical considerations. Hello everybody, how's it going? If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a like. It really does help to beat the YouTube algorithm. If you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all of the content being released on this channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.